Hi friends, welcome back. In this video I am telling more about the display filter and some advanced display filter. So the basically filter is the some types of filter. The first one is the capture filter, which is I am already done in the previous video. Now here is the display filter. I ask there is some stream filter, TCP stream, UDP streams, some conversation filter, some macros, some IO graphs. This is all about the filtrations, the filtering or find the data. So basically here the resolving some things in Wireshark or find the data, the display filter is always help. So I am here typing IP dot source and equal to 192.168.8.1. This is a gateway and the traffic will be fine of the front of you, which is the traffic source from our router. And if you can change here destination, it will ask to find the data, which is the data which is sent to the 192.168.8.1. You can also filter the traffic by typing the protocol like HTTP or ARP or DNS and many more. The filter is refine your view only that things which what you need. You can also type the expression with, or you can multiple filter applying with the help of these. You can type HTTP or ARP, hit enter. The only traffic will be see which is HTTP or ARP. You can also apply HTTP or IP dot s source and equal to 192.168.8. hit enter. There is a traffic will be filter will apply. You can also build own expression. You can also type here TCP dot port and equal to 80, which is refine the traffic which is the port on 80. You can also reject the packet of source or destination by typing IP.dst is not equal to. You can build own expression and typing the address of here and hit enter. It will be only show the data. I am tell about something TCP stream and UDP stream now. Basically stream is the resolving the whole conversations or present the clear view or traffic that what you need clearly and remove the confusion. If you have the lot of packets like 10,000 or 1 million packets, you can not differentiate the traffic step by step of multiple host or source destination IP. You can differentiate these traffic by streams, or if your network has 10 streams running parallelly, you can differentiate by these streams. Streams is very useful to finding the data that you need for capturing. So here if I am click on TCP, this is basically I am click on based on protocol TCP. You can add TCP traffic. You can also use here UDP, all UDP traffic. I am click on the analyze panel and basically I am first clear the filter and click on analyze panel and click on the UDP stream. There is all UDP streams which have the conversation from beginning to end. There is raw data, ASCII character. ASCII information is very helpful for extracting the information from plain text. Sometimes the connection are not secure. The ASCII character will be represent the data clearly in your UDP streams or TCP streams, and the expression will automatically build from here if you select it. If you are go to statistics menu and go to your protocol hierarchy, and you can get more about the information from here. You can check HTTP traffic, packet traffic, IPv4 traffic, NetBIOS traffic, IPv6 traffic, domain name service traffic. You can also apply filter from here selected, and the traffic will be automatically defined in your screen. So thanks guys for watching. Please subscribe my channel, like this video. Thank you guys.